And I don't know what it is. You got that strong magnetic force.
Why is
Always
this
draw
thing
me
now?
close to you. I can figure it
Okay,
out, but
just
if
feel
you
me
ask
now.
me,
No.
I would tell you I found love, 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 yeah. And I found peace of mind. Yeah, I found love, 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 yeah. Yeah, you're so special to me. I found love,
Don't cry, okay?
and I found peace of.
You talking to me?
How dare you? How dare you hold my hands? You untrained swine!
Watch it. Do you understand me? Watch it.
Dad, please. Who employed this pauper? I need him to be fired immediately.
But you had manners. Did you greet me when you came in here?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm very sorry. I was just carried away by her stupidity.
Dad, you're still insulting me. Have you lost it? Are you insane? How dare you talk to me like that?
Sweetheart, you carried all those bags from the United States. So what?
So what, Dad? Am I supposed to carry those bags myself? Is that it?
Jeffrey? Please take the bags upstairs, huh? Thank you.
After you.
Listen, never you try that with me again. Mind you, I am not my father. The next time you try this nonsense with me, I will deal with you. Pauper.
I honestly thought you should be more trained. I mean, your father is a very good man. Obviously not. Rascal.
I'm watching you.
Oh, you wish. Yeah.
Idiots.
Yeah.
Why is he not taking my calls? Call Steve. You serious? Hi there. I've been calling you. Why are you not taking my calls? I thought by now you must have stopped this your philandering lifestyle. Okay, guess what? Just guess. I'm in Nigeria. Yes. I came in a few minutes ago. I'm home. Yeah, that is fine. I've missed you more. You know what? I can't wait to see your big head. Yeah. Okay. See you soon. No, I'm so hungry. I just want to get something to eat, okay? Alright, darling. See you soon. Love you.
Stephanie. You can't eat okra soup when it's very hot. It has to cool down.
Dad?
Yes, sweetheart. Are you alright?
I'm not fine.
Dad? Yes, Dad.
When will your glorified chef give me something to eat? For crying out loud, I've been on air for over 14 hours. I'm famished.
Sweetheart, he's preparing your meal.
How long will it take him to do that? He should have prepared it before I landed in Nigeria, right?
But sweetheart, you said you didn't want to eat stewed rice. You wanted something local. And he is preparing, guess what? The bitter leaf soup. You like it, eh? Just wait a little while, eh?
I don't care, Dad. He should just hurry up. He's so lazy and slow. He's like a snail.
Jeffrey's a good boy. You'll soon like him.
Never. I would never like him. So rude.
Never say never in the jungle.
Steve, are you waiting for me to call you back? That will never happen. So it's either you call or I'll leave it like that.
Now. Yeah, sure. Alright. Oh my god, I'm supposed to have called Olivia last night. Damn. Hello? Hi. Babe, I'm sorry. I know I was supposed to call last night, but I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I had so many things I had to do. I'm sorry. Babe, let me just switch to video so you can still see where I am right in front of my laptop. Wait.
Jeffrey? Jeffrey?
Yes, sir. Morning, sir.
Aha, good morning. What are we having for breakfast? You know, my daughter is around, and women, you know what I mean. But come, Jeffrey. Who does my daughter resemble really in terms of behavior? Certainly not my wife. You knew my wife. Loving, caring, accommodating. Maybe my mother-in-law. What do you think?
You know, I honestly don't think she got it from family. Maybe she's among these women in society that thinks that men should be under their payroll or men should be submissive. You know, these women that are for the quest for power. All this kind of thing.
It's not possible.
Boss, with the way they're going about this thing, women were in trouble.
It is impossible. They can't achieve that. Huh? They can't.
We hope not. We hope not.
I hope my daughter is not coming.
Would you like your coffee first before the food?
My coffee.
Okay.
My coffee. Let me have coffee first. So, what are you making?
Spaghetti and
What protein?
turkey.
No. I prefer chicken.
There's no chicken for now until tomorrow.
Will you die if you answer respectfully and politely? Will you die?
Sweetheart, it's still early in the morning for this fight. It is not a boxing ring. Alright? Jeffrey, can I have my coffee?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Me too. Dad,
Yes.
why do you love this guy so much?
Yeah, he's such a lovable character. Intelligent, smart, obedient. He's simply what I need.
Dad,
Yes.
because of all these things you're saying, that is why his head is getting big.
Oh, my dear, let's not go there. Yeah? Maybe the coffee will do something to your mood this morning. I don't think so. My darling.
Leave me alone.
It's
so rude.
No, don't look at it that way. Soften up a bit, soften up a bit.
Let's stop it.
We'll get this new cybersecurity training what I want to do. See, I finished the first one 1 month ago. I remember I tell you I was on that training now. This new one. My God. By the time I'm done with all the CB things, forget.
Big shot.
Forget.
No. What are you doing here? As in, you're discussing with your friend. You don't have anything to do? No, there's no house chores to do anymore. Is that it? You are now jobless? I don't know what my father see in you. I've told him to sack you, but he refused.
Honestly, for somebody of your stature and the fact that you even traveled abroad and come back, you're still behaving this raz, it's really surprising. For real. You better turn a new leaf. Let me give you a piece of advice. No man will marry something like this. I swear.
Oh, you just shut up. Shut your crap. You brats. Listen. I did not come out here to banter words with you. I am still talking. What is wrong with you? Go in there. Prepare something for my fiancé and I to eat. Right now. You little brats. Mannerless idiots.
The way she speaks, everything. This kind of man in my presence.
Are you mad? Yeah? Are you high?
What do you mean? No,
You just see her display stupidity and you admire it.
nothing is bad. I don't get it. What are you trying to say?
How are you even my friend? Where did you even meet?
Bro, come on now.
Come on, we go to your house.
Bro,
Come on, go to your
bro,
house.
yo, bro, come now. Bro. I'm just trying to, what?
Babe, I am sorry.
What exactly are you sorry for?
I am sorry about the fact that you've been calling since yesterday and I did not take the calls.
I don't want to talk about it.
Hey, come off it.
Excuse me, ma. What can I prepare for you today?
I want rice, chicken and vegetable sauce. I'll be fast about it.
I thought I told you there's no chicken in the fridge. Only turkey that's left.
Are you dumb? Can't you improvise?
Okay, I'll attend to you when I'm smarter.
Come back here. Come back here! I'm talking to you! Can you imagine? Why are you laughing?
Okay, so listen, come here. I promise this time around, okay, I'm going to be more intentional, okay? I'm going to make it up to you, okay? It's not going to be like the past, okay? Promise.
Steve, you know I love you so much. And I'm always willing to make this relationship work. So please, don't make me regret this. Okay?
Alright, I promise this time around. I know I'm not perfect, but I'll make it up to you.
Promise?
I promise you.
Cross your heart.
I cross my heart. I would never.
Promise.
Come here.
Oh.
I know you like it when I'm a good boy, right?
He doesn't like it.
You like it?
Yes, I do.
Hey!
Oh my God! Hey! I missed you! Come here! Oh my God!
You look so beautiful.
I'm telling you,
Thank
you look good, babe. Turn.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. I missed you, girl.
All right, ladies. I think it's high time I take my leave now.
Oh, okay.
Come here, love.
Drive carefully.
Yeah, sure. Bye.
Babe, it's been a while.
Yes, it has.
Babe, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Added a beat, you know.
Gosh. I hate it when they tell me I've added. God. Babe, you look perfect. What's going on? Who is?
You're so cool.
My boyfriend, of course.
We have a lot to talk about, you
Of
know.
course. But first, let me get you something to drink, okay?
All right.
Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Just wait, I'm coming, okay?
Okay.
Olivia's so cool.
I'm telling you. She is.
Can you imagine?
What happened?
He's not even in the compound. Can you imagine? He's never around when you need him. I cannot have a stubborn servant in my father's house.
Babe,
No, he's so full of himself. He's so pompous.
calm down, okay? We have a lot to talk about. But before then, what did you bring for me?
I brought a lot.
I trust you, girl.
Of course, you know that.
Olivia, how about your dad?
My dad is fine, but he's not at home at the moment. Yeah.
Okay.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
Okay, I bought a lot of shoes, a lot of bags. Jeff, what are you doing with my father's car? I'm talking to you. What are you doing with my father's car? Have you lost it? How dare you? How dare you, a common servant boy, drive my father's car? Oh, wait. Is it because my father has been so lenient with you? So you have lost your respect? Is that it?
Olivia, I'll strongly suggest you don't try that nonsense again. Do not raise your hand at me again.
Are you threatening me?
Do you feel threatened? Eh? Do you feel threatened? Try it again.
Really? You are talking back at me? Oh my God, I can't believe this. Do you know that I can get you fired? You can go back to the slump where you belong. Do you know that?
Oh, I'm so scared. Look at me, I'm shivering. I'm really scared.
Really?
Honestly, Chief is a wise and a very, very coordinated man. Very humble. I don't know where you get this pride, pompous attitude from. Honestly.
I have had enough. Listen, I have had enough of this, your nonsense in this house. You know what? You will be fired immediately my father comes back. Watch and see.
Wish.
Let me have that keys. Let me have the key. Stupid boy. Let me have it. Nonsense. Just wait. Yeah. Please, girls, you can go, okay? This idiot just pissed me off. See you later.
Olivia.
See you later.
See, Olivia, you need to send this guy packing before he poisons you and your father. The way he's behaving, it's very, very suspicious.
That is exactly what I want to do. He needs to be fired.
ASAP.
Please, you girls can go now, okay? Please, just bye.
Yeah, see you. How could you even say such a thing?
You see how we do this?
Is it your business? Yes. It's not your business. You should mind your business. Go.
Oh my goodness. Ah.
Jasmine, imagine. Such audacity will never be tolerated in my house. Jeffrey by now would have been sacked or probably be chilling in the police station. Going to grocery store with your master's car is not only an insult but a slap on his face.
Babe, can you stop being furious at this poor guy? Huh? This guy is so cute. I mean, he got some steals and graciously styles. I like this one, you know.
Exactly why my mom will make sure he spends quality time behind bars to reset his medulla oblongata.
Babe, that guy might be an errand boy, but you can't take away the fact that he is so cute, filled with so much audacity. Did you see what happened out there? Gosh.
Jasmine, can you be serious once in your lifetime?
Yes. And to be honest with you, I like that boy. He's so cute. I mean, that guy is my type of a man. Hello, what do you mean by that? Anyway, that's your business. I just told you he's my kind of man and that's on period.
Okay.
Dad, seriously, we can't keep having this arrogant boy in this house. He's so rude and disrespectful. Do you know what he did today? He went shopping with your car. Can you imagine? He had the guts to go out with your car. Dad, I have had enough. He needs to leave this house. I don't even know what he's doing in this house. I can do the cooking, you know.
Sweetheart, calm down. This young man has served me faithfully for so many years, even while your mother was alive. I allow him use my car to go for shopping. That's it. So calm down, take it easy with him, okay?
Dad, do you know that? You're the one giving him the guts to insult me.
Yeah, you forgot the part where you slapped me. Yeah.
Sorry, I made a mistake. I would have blinded your eye with that slap.
Oliver, the only reason why I'm taking your nonsense is because you're a woman. Do you understand? I'm not your mate.
Dad, did you hear that? No, did you hear him?
Jeffrey, would you have hit her?
No, of course not, sir. But I'm just saying you should try and caution her.
Caution me? Are you serious? Listen, you are a servant in this house. You're supposed to do everything I tell you.
It's okay. Sweetheart, it's okay. Jeffrey, go back to your work. Go back to your work. Go back to your work.
Dad.
Yes, sweetheart.
No, Dad, did you see that? He was screaming at me.
Sweetheart, now listen to me. The car is mine. I authorized him to use the car. He is serving me. So there should be no problem about that. Should there be any?
Dad, a common servant, a cook used your car. And you're not saying anything about it.
Can we forget this? And let's have some peace. Now smile for Daddy. Oh, sweetheart.
I can smile.
Smile for Daddy now. Daddy, smile for Daddy. That's not fair, sweetheart.
go be that though. I come back. Now you.
How you be now?
I didn't find out. How your body now?
I'm fine now. Alpha. Oh, I got to pick in the house.
You should come pick in the that one. Olivia?
Yes, now Olivia now.
You mean they won't come see Olivia?
Yes, now. Now see Olivia I can see.
Make I tell you. Make you not be saying now waiting there. My mind. Now you dey think oh. Because if not Olivia won't come think. Mama Siem. You are welcome to the world of humiliation.
Forget about me. Make I go inside.
Now, funeral of humiliation you don't answer. Okay, no problem. I dey here. You don't go mind your business. You don't go find person that go humiliate you. When I make on board. Oh
God, I feel like strangling him. I don't know who gave him the guts to drive my father's car. And my father is not even saying anything about it.
That's very unreasonable. How can your dad do something like that?
I don't know.
Is there something they know that you do not know?
Something like what?
Considering the fact that you've been away for too long.
Are you insinuating that they might have a little secret?
Whatever. But one thing I know is that this cannot happen in my house. Servants know their place.
You know, I've never thought about... What are you doing here and who are you?
Hi, good afternoon.
That is not the answer to my question. Who are you?
I'm Donald, Jeffrey's friend. Is he in?
Get out. I said get out!
Are you deaf? Get out before I give you a resounding slap.
Hey, calm down. I know you are Jeff and not on a smooth foot. But that's because you failed to see the good guy before you.
Leave this house. Get out!
Get out.
Hey, that's bad. Why would beautiful girls like you have anger issues? Yo, remember the name, Donald, for short, Don.
Can you imagine? No, I cannot take this anymore. I cannot! What nonsense!
Hey.
I'm talking about Jay being so stupid and now his friend had the goal to come into my father's house? Has he gotten to this level?
You need to do something about that guy.
I don't...
He has to go.
He definitely has to go.
This man.
Yo, bro.
Have fun.
Good. What's up?
I'm alright. What are you doing coming out of my house?
I came to see you.
You came to see me?
Yeah, for real.
Donald, you came to see me.
What do you mean? I came to see you, bro.
No, me and you know that. You didn't come to see me. Yeah? You came to see her again, Abby?
That's how you say. The truth is, okay, yes, I came to see her, bro. I told you, this girl, I just can't get her out of my mind.
Yeah, now that you've gone to go and see her, did she give you her number? Or did she set up one date for people to go together or something? What happened?
Yeah, it's a process which I know it's moving progressively.
See, bro, let me just advise you, alright? Just stay away from this girl. She's very insulting, she's very rude, very arrogant. Listen, I don't want her to insult me because of you. I would not like that, honestly.
You mean it?
Yes, now.
Alright, no problem.
But let me just go drop this stuff inside, okay?
I got you.
Take care, my G.
Yeah.
Later.
Can you imagine? Since that is useless. Come back here. Jeffrey, come here. Come here. You're asking me what is it? How dare you? How dare you, Orchid, send that riffraff of a friend to come talk to me? Have you lost it? Don't you have respect for me anymore? Are you not scared of what I can do to you and your friend?
Olivia, please, I'm not scared of your threats. Okay? I'm sorry about what happened, but I need to send you out here.
What rudeness. Please. Jeffrey or whatever you've been called, why are you this rude and disrespectful?
Jeffrey!
Look at this idiot.
Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Come back here! I'm talking to you! Jeffrey, come back here! Can you imagine? Have you seen it? This guy is so rude. But not to worry. I will frustrate him in this house.
Please do. Nobody can make you uncomfortable in your father's house.
Nobody can?
Yes.
What nonsense! Stupid boy! Useless fool!
I'm not seeing the PDF file right now. Oh, it just dropped. It just dropped. Yeah. Hey, babe.
Babe, you have been working since I came.
I'm sorry, there's this document that I have to submit by tomorrow. I really have to get it delivered tomorrow. I really need to deal with it.
Wait. I need your attention. Listen, I want you. I want you to hold me. I want you to kiss me. I want you to touch me.
Babe, I love you so much.
You know I love you too. Was that why you were giving me the up?
You crazy. Can you stop that?
Okay.
Babe, I want us to go see a movie at the cinema.
I really wish I could, but then I have something I need to finish up with, okay?
Are you serious? Babe.
I am sorry. You know I need to get this done with.
Don't give me that crap. I have had enough of this. Are you not tired of saying I'm sorry all the time? Are you not tired? What have I done wrong to you, Steve? Is it a crime to love you? Is it a crime to be in a relationship with you? You barely have my time. If you are not always on your system, you are doing something else. What's all this? Why are you doing this to me?
Babe, listen. Now listen to me. You know I love you, right? You know I'll do anything just to make sure you're happy. But on this case, I promise I'm gonna make it up to you. Just listen to me, okay? I'm sorry. Come on, you know I love you. You know I love you.
Steve, if you love me, you will make this work. If you love me, you will make this relationship work. Because honestly, I'm getting fed up. Listen. Babe, listen. I just need you around me, okay? Just come and see the movie with me. That's all I ask.
I'm sorry, but not today, please, okay?
Are you serious? Mr. Man! What are you doing on my dining table? Am I not talking to somebody? What are you doing here?
See, Olivia, it will do you good if you learn little manners, like those small beating ones, like you greet people when you see them. Just come on, courtesy. You're not mad. You're not from the bush. Do you understand?
May thunder fire that your mouth. Get out of this table, right now. I said get out!
That's not why you like making empty threats. Nothing if you do, like, really, nothing.
Really?
Yes.
This is what I can do. Ah! You want to hit me? No, seriously, you want to hit me? Hit me! Hit me! Hit me! You don't have shame! The very first time you will lay this your filthy hands on me, I swear to God, you will rot in jail! Stupid boy! Useless thing!
Sweetheart.
Dad.
The way you treated Jeffrey at that dining table was bad. You have no excuse to treat him like a slave, like a nobody.
Dad, are you taking sides already? No matter how you see him, he still remains a chef. And he should learn some manners. He can't just be talking to me like that. For crying out loud, this is my father's house and he's our servant.
Olivia, I'm your father. Since your mom passed, how many chefs have we had in this house? I'll tell you. 5. Jeffrey is the 5th one. And the other 4 have been cheats, they've been manipulators and or liars. But Jeffrey has been here for more than a year now, because none of them spent more than 3 months. Jeffrey has never stolen from me. He has never manipulated me. He will return balance when he goes to market the shop. Jeffrey is smart, he's intelligent, and I see him as a son. You've got to be careful.
Careful, Dad. He can't do anything to me. If his hands touches me, I swear he's going to rot in jail.
You see, if he didn't respect women, he would have hit you at that table.
And he would have seen the other side of me.
Sweetheart, I'll tell you, do not be too angry with your head that you wear your cap on your knee. People will laugh at you. Think about it.
Be that now. Who won't break the gate, sir? Give your man, are you? Give your man.
Hi. Is Jeffrey in?
Jeffrey, ke? I mean, a referee. No, be not my friend, now you be. Why you find Jeffrey now?
Stop asking me silly questions. Is he in? Yes or no?
Now, wow. Jeffrey, there inside. Why don't you know there now? Why you find no river now?
You don't have time.
See that? Why if I know the house, oh? Madam. No worry, no problem. If you move out.
Yeah? I'm in.
Hey!
Hi.
Hello.
I'm sorry. Olivia is now rounding to call her before you came around.
I know.
Oh.
I'm not here for her. I'm actually here for you.
Who? Me?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you understand? Is it the fact that you don't know that you are so cute, or the fact that you don't know that I have a thing for you? Hmm?
Oh.
You see, I'm aware that you don't have a girlfriend. That is why I'm offering myself to you willingly. Come on, I'm sure you like all of this. Hmm?
I suggest you take a step back, please. Look, listen. Jasmine, you're not up to the standard of girls I roll with. So I suggest you stop embarrassing yourself. Close the door on your way out.
Open the gate.
You fast though, why you no waste time now? I've been a short time, you know.
Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? My friend, open the gate!
I don't understand.
Open the gate!
I don't understand. No. You fast though. You fast though. No, wow. But this girl makes sense, oh. Hello, Ibemma. I'm like this, Ibemma.
I don't know why you girls are laughing. Honestly, I still do not know why my father has refused to send that thing out of this house. Do you know that he insults me and challenges me at every given time? And it's really getting me pissed off. Like, I really want him to leave this house.
Babe, I don't know why you hate this guy this much. Can't you see that this guy is so cute? Yes! And I believe that your father has seen something in him that makes him to keep him.
Jasmine, you're saying this because you're crushing on him. If you were to be in Olivia's shoe, you would have done worse than her.
Babe, yeah, I know.
You that I know would have long thrown this guy out of your father's house.
I know. Well, the truth is that I love this guy. Yes, that's true. I mean, this guy is so cute. Are you guys too blind to see it? His cuteness makes me so wet. Oh my goodness.
Girls, you know what? Jasmine is actually right. Jeffrey is cute, no doubt. But the truth is, you know now, I don't do small boys. And so that's why I don't even show interest in them at all.
Hey, Lucy. Father.
Better hold your papa when man no snatch him.
I beg, no come closer, beg.
Please, enough. I've had enough. Guess what is all this? You girls are supposed to be telling me how to send that thing out of my father's house. You're here blabbing rubbish. What's all this?
Olivia, I will not be happy with you if you send this guy out of this house. Babes, I love this guy. You should know me. Can't you see? I love this one.
Jasmine, I've had enough. Enough of your nonsense. Okay? I'm not joking here. I'm serious about this.
Whatever.
Don't be so. Fuck out. Everybody.
Please, can you help me decide which caption to use, either this or this? I really am finding it difficult to decide.
Babe, I'm sorry. You know I'm not good with this. At least it's not my area of specialty.
But if it's yours, I definitely will help, right?
Yes, that's because you're super duper multi-talented.
I swear you're so useless. You're just so useless to me, I swear.
Okay, I'll take that as a compliment, you know. Yes, you didn't say that to me. At least I'm good at other things. Like, come here.
Hey, that's the only thing you know how to do. Abba! How many times? Hi!
You know what? I feel so lucky. You know why? Because I'm getting married to the most intelligent man on planet Earth. Yes. And for that, I will take you out later this evening to make it up to you.
I'll go back to my work right now. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hey, I have something to do. I can go out.
You can wait just 1 minute.
I cannot go out.
1 minute.
No, I cannot.
Okay, just wait. 1 minute. Okay?
I said I cannot.
Come here. Why are you like this?
Hey, madam, let me work.
You're not serious. Must it be work all the time?
It's cold, not cold. But no,
Sweetheart, I'm really, really happy you're back. But you have to start processing your national youth service, huh?
Yes, Dad. I heard that their quota will be opened at 12 a.m. So, by tomorrow morning, I will just fill the form and start from there.
Good. When you're done with it, you come and work for the company. I can't wait.
Sure, Dad. But better still,
Yeah.
I think I'll ask Steve to do the filling of the form for me. Because he's usually awake at night.
Okay. That'll be okay. That'll be fine.
Okay, Dad.
All right. Want some?
No, Daddy.
Ah!
Oliver, please. I want to say I'm sorry for what happened last time. It was stupid of me coming to talk to you. Please try and forget about it.
What's that your name again?
Donald. My name is Donald.
Donald. Sit.
Thank you.
It is very obvious that you're better than your friend. Your friend should learn from you. He should learn how to be polite towards a woman.
Try and forget about Jeff. He has his own, but he's a good man.
No. He's not a good man. He's an idiot. A fool. He's so rude. He's arrogant. He's so useless. That is what he is.
The thing is, I believe you'll still get to know him because he's a friend of mine and he's a good man, like I said.
And who cares? Wow. Are you done?
I am, but I guess we're friends now, right?
Use the door.
You say what?
Use the door.
Okay. Thank you.
And this girl acts like you. She's as problematic as you are.
Stop it.
Come here, let me do this.
Steve. Hello, who are you? And how dare you barge in us like that?
Shut up!
Don't you ever shut up!
Just take your things and get out of my house right now.
You must be joking, guy.
Jasmine, listen to me. Okay, you're a very beautiful lady. Okay? I'm sure you can attract any man you want. Rather than throw yourself cheaply at them. I mean, you're a woman, you should respect yourself.
Jeff, I know I'm not supposed to tell you this, given to our African roots, but the truth is that we are no longer in the olden days. Civilization has wiped off a lot of things. Jeff, I love you. Just give us a chance, okay?
Look, I'm very busy with work. Do you understand? And I mean, in 1 month's time, you'll call me boring boy and probably leave me. So just think we should just leave this thing, okay?
Jeff, you don't need to worry about those things. I'll make it work, okay? I'll do all the work. You have nothing to worry about.
Sorry. Alright, we cannot do this. Probably friends, maybe, but not this, okay?
Jeff.
I have to go back to work now. Right?
Jeff, I love you. Jeff, I really want you. I love you. Jeff. Jeff, come on, listen to me, Jeff. Leave me, Jeff!
Go home, just rest.
Jeff, you don't understand. Jeff, I love you. Jeff, just give us a chance, okay? Jeff, you don't know how much I love you.
Yeah, just love somebody else, please. Understand? Sir, please, Olivia is not around. She would have instructed me on what to prepare for dinner. I don't know. What can I prepare for you, sir?
But you can make suggestions yourself. So what do you think?
Yeah. Okay, unripe plantain and vegetable sauce. Fresh fish for protein.
That's okay, that's good.
Okay, great.
Olivia! Olivia! What is wrong? Jeffrey, never mind. She's my daughter. She will calm down. I'll get to know what is wrong with her. She'll be fine, okay? She'll be fine. Don't worry, she'll be fine. Now you go and prepare what you suggested, okay?
Okay, sir.
She'll be fine. What could be wrong with her? Women and their moods. Sweetheart, it's just two of us. Your mom is gone. I'm just here with you. What's the matter? Talk to me.
Dad, I'm fine. Nothing is wrong.
I know it's that boy, Steve. Did he hit you?
No, Dad. I didn't. I'm okay. I'm fine.
It's okay. You know that I'm always here to listen to you. I'm always here to hear you. You know, it's been the two of us. You traveled to America, you came back, and you know that you can't hide anything from me. So when you are ready, talk to me. I will listen. Let nothing worry you.
Okay, Dad. I'm fine, Dad. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Don't worry. Stop crying. There's nothing the eye will see and bleed blood. Eh? Don't worry. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Let me tell you, when things happen, they are for you to learn. In fact, people think that negative things are bad. No, negative things are positive. Because when they leave you, that is when you see the positivity in your life. All right, it's okay, it's okay. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Guy, you don't fuck up. Look what you've done to yourself. Olivia is from a very rich family and that girl loves you with everything she has, but you still found a way to mess everything up.
Please, stop it! You're driving me crazy already. I am crazy and you're adding more to my crazy. What is this?
Yes, you are. You brought this upon yourself. Know that.
How dare you, Steve? How dare you do this to me? You are a bastard! A fucking bastard! I'm going to delete your number. I'm going to delete your number from my phone. I do not want to have anything to do with you ever again! You lying bastard! How dare you do this to me? How dare you, Steve? How dare you? How dare you?
Babe, that guy is a bastard. He's the worst human I have ever seen.
I mean, he's pretended to be an introvert, whereas that guy is a dirty flirt. I mean, how could he do something like that to you?
Honestly, I don't know. I loved Steve with everything in me. I loved him genuinely, but what did I get in return?
Babe, I think you should forget about this guy and let him go. Yes, you don't need him. I know you'll get to meet responsible men out there someday.
Men. Why are they like this? I don't know. What do men actually want? Tell me, what do they want from a woman? I gave Steve everything. I gave him my heart, I gave him my body, I gave him everything, and he had the gall to cheat on me. Steve, that guy will suffer. I swear to God, he will suffer.
Excuse me, Olivia. Please, I would like to know what to prepare for lunch today.
Are you stupid? Don't you have manners? Can't you see we are discussing? My son, get your stinking self out of this place!
Look, I'll prefer you talk to me more politely, please.
Are you referring to me? Are you mad?
Olivia!
Are you insane? Don't you have manners? My friend, get out of my sight! You stay here! Somebody should tell this stinking thing to leave my presence now!
Okay, that's fine, Jeff, please.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Why is she behaving like that? Look, I don't understand. What did I do wrong? Why is she insulting me like this? What did I do to her?
Jeff, you haven't done anything wrong. Just that she was not in her right frame of mind.
Right frame of mind? That's why she will insult me. I mean, she has been using it over and over. Because I'm keeping quiet. Look, I'm not working for her. Yeah? I'm working for her dad. And I've been doing this thing for a long time now.
Jeff, why can't us forget about her dad and talk about us? Olivia is from rich home, but my family is richer and more influential. Why can't you make me your woman? And I will take you far from Olivia, or better still, take you out of this house, if you wish.
Look, I have something I'm doing, excuse me.
Guy, calm down. Calm down. You go enjoy yourself as you do. Steve, calm down.
What do you expect? I mean, she could have picked up her calls and we both talk to each other and she would understand from my point of view. That's what I expect.
You don't expect her to pick your calls. She feels betrayed and cheated. Go to her, talk things out. Maybe if she sees you, she might feel your pain. That is if you are sincere.
Okay, Ibo na you. Don't even create me, sir. Now, wow.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here, Steve? Who let you in? Get out!
Relax, relax.
I said get out!
Relax, listen to me. You have every right to be angry and I know so, okay? Just please, listen to me.
I said get out!
Hey, babe, I know you have every right to be angry. I understand that, but I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I really am sorry. So let me tell you something, okay? I am this person. I know I did you wrong.
Leave my father's house. Are you stupid? Get out! I do not want to have anything to do with you ever again! You lying bastard! Whatever that happened was your fault! You cheated on me! Leave my father's house!
Babe, I understand it is my fault, and I am sorry. Please give me a chance. Let's try again, please.
I said get out!
Bro, she said you should go, okay? Do you want to provoke her more? Just leave, alright? Go.
Who is this talking to me? You don't talk when humans are talking. Do you understand that? Now go back to where you're coming from right now.
I would appreciate it if you just leave this house now. I'll have to use force on you.
Who is this?
Steve, we are done. We are done with this relationship. You know why? You are a liar! You are a useless bastard! Leave!
Hey, listen. Hey, listen to me. Listen to me, please. I beg of you. Just give me another chance.
Just go! Out of house! Leave! Okay? Just go!
I love you!
Listen, I don't think it was wise for you to slap a man. I mean, don't provoke a man to anger.
Will you just shut up? Shut up your stupid mouth! Who asked you to interfere? You don't know when you're needed? Get out of my sight! Advisor to the state governor. Side.
Sula?
Dad.
Why are you sounding so frustrated? How's the phone feeling going?
Dad, it's not working. It keeps logging out.
Why don't you try Jeffrey? He knows a lot about computers.
Dad,
Yes?
are you insulting my intelligence? I should try Jeffrey. That dull guy.
Sweetheart.
An ordinary cook.
Sweetheart.
Dad, please.
Sweetheart.
I'll keep trying.
You are always the best. But even the best will need some advice from someone to remain the best. Why don't you try him out?
No, Dad. Thank you.
It's okay.
What are you doing with my laptop? Huh?
I figured you were struggling. You can feel your details now. Thank you later.
Oh my God. You did it. Girls, you will not believe this. I mean, the ease at which he just fixed it is still surprising to me. And this is what I've been trying for hours and he kept logging me out. He just handled my system for just a few minutes and it's done.
I said it. I've always known that Jeff is not just cute, but also smart. He must be a graduate then, right?
Who trains a male chef in the university? No, excuse me. My father said he graduated from the Polytechnic.
Come on. Now I've seen why Jeff has refused to be intimidated by your presence. That guy knows his worth. And this is why your father gave him access to the family property. I mean, nobody would do such a thing to a male chef. But your father did, right? I'm so proud of him.
You know that you're so obsessed with this guy. I know he's smart, quite alright, but you're too obsessed with him.
How? Were you not listening to him? This guy made it easy for her, right, Olivia?
Babe, see, you're overhyping this whole thing. You're overhyping him.
No,
Come on,
honest, I'm beginning to see the reason my father kept him in this house.
Exactly, my darling! Yes!
Intelligent anyway.
Yes! Olivia, you're beginning to see my point of view. Jeff is very intelligent. Yes.
You're just obsessed with this guy.
Yeah, I know. So, where is it?
Jeff. How did you do that? Sorry. I mean, how were you able to fix the site? You know, if not for you, I would have missed out the deadline.
Forget about it. I don't need your thanks.
Hello? I'm just trying to be grateful here, okay? Don't get it twisted.
She said I should give you this. She said you give me the money to go to the market to get the items.
Wait, Jeff. I want us to talk. Please sit.
There's nothing to talk about.
Jeff, I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Yes.
Sorry about what exactly?
I'm sorry about everything. Firstly, we started on the wrong foot, which we shouldn't have. I should have given you your own respect, you know. So I'm sorry about that.
I need the money before noon. Thank you.
Something so beautiful, that's what I see in your eyes, and I don't know what it was. Something that's so precious, that's what I found in you, and I don't know.
What are you doing with my laptop? Huh?
I figured you were struggling. You can feel your details now. Thank you later.
You got that strong magnetic force, always drawing me close to you. I can figure it out, but if you ask me, I would tell you I found love, you, and I found peace of mind. Yeah, I found love, yeah. You're so special to me. I found love, and I found peace of mind. Something so beautiful, that's what I see in your eyes, and I don't know what it was. Something that's so precious, that's what I found in you, and I don't know what it is. You got that strong magnetic force, always drawing me close to you. I can figure it out, but if you ask me, I would tell you I found love, you, and I found peace of mind. Yeah, I found love, yeah. You're so special to me. I found love, and I found peace of mind.
Hi, Don. You're welcome.
You? This is new. I mean, I like it, but this is entirely new to me.
Donald.
Yeah.
I asked you to come here because of your friend, Jeff.
Did you do anything? Like, commit anything?
No. Far from that. Okay. On the contrary, I am at fault here. Yes. Because of my ego, I have failed to see the good in Jeff. And I've realized that I'm at fault. And I'm sorry. So please, I need you to help me talk to him. Maybe he can give me another chance. Let him know that I'm very sorry and I'm ready to make amends. Donald, are you here?
Yeah. I've heard all that you said. To be honest with you, Jeff bears no grudge against you. You two can still work things out.
Are you sure?
Yeah, definitely, I am.
Please, would you help me talk to him? Tell him I'm truly sorry. Jeff, are you here? I'm sorry, I called you Jeff, sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me. Donald, are you with me?
Yeah, I am with you. Oh, you want me to talk to him before you?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll definitely do that.
You will?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. So what do I offer you?
I'm cool. I'm okay.
Yes. One sec.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I come in?
Sure.
Thank you.
I guess you got my letter.
Yeah, I did. I got your message, but it's completely unnecessary. I mean, I did what every human being would do.
Listen, Jeff. I might be rude and brute, but I'm not an ingrate not to appreciate what you did for me. So, thank you. Honestly, that site has been giving me a lot of stress. It keeps logging out until you did what you did. So I was able to fill in my details. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's fine. Have a wonderful day ahead, okay?
All right. Okay. No, that's true.
No, it's not. It's funny the way you say it. Do you understand?
Okay. Because the guy was just like, hello, what's your name?
it's crazy. How are you just staring at me like this?
Yes, now.
Okay, what's one thing? What's happening? You're not playing like that. Hello?
Hello? Are you
Okay.
talking to me?
Okay.
I said that.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Dad, you're welcome.
What's happening?
Jeffrey.
Sir. What's happening?
Dad, nothing serious. I just realized that we are one big family, so we're supposed to be happy always.
True. This might be very new to you, sir, and it might be very strange. But the truth is, peace is the bed of every thriving family. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. I'm all set.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what he did?
What did
Let me
you
tell you. He said, I hope your name is
For real?
Yes, he said that. I was like, what's wrong with this guy?
I wish I was close. Excuse me. What is it? What's going on here?
I don't understand. What's what?
That's not for like bag of rice.
Tired.
You're tired.
Hey now.
What are you getting started? I hope you know.
You are who? Me, I don't know. You don't know where we're jogging from?
You call my jogging shorts.
Eh? With the distance?
Yes, now.
You're not serious.
Listen. Don't tell me among all those lazy people.
I'm not lazy.
Yeah.
I'm not lazy.
Please come and drink water. What does it really just do that? Jeff. Wait, Jeff.
Hello, Jeff. Yes, I'm okay. I'm trying to prepare jollof rice, so I really want you to help me out. Why are you laughing? Can you just stop this already and tell me your recipe? Yes, just tell me. Okay. Yes, it's here. Yes, I saw that one. Okay, yes, it's here. I'm serious. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Oh, Dad. Dad, you're welcome.
What are you doing? Cooking?
Yes, Dad. Yes, I'm cooking. You know, I said to myself, if you get married tomorrow, who's going to cook for your husband and your kids?
Oh, you guys they hire a maid or a houseboy?
No, Dad. I can't employ someone to cook for my husband and my children. I can't. I want to be like Mom. Do you remember that Mom was actually cooking for us?
Mm-hmm.
So that is what I want to do when I get married.
Interesting. Where is Jeff?
Dad, he went out. I actually asked him to go out to mingle, you know. He has been in all day. I guess it's already boring for him.
Well, I guess you're getting very close to him.
Yes, Dad. We're really getting close by the day. Okay. So let's start.
Olivia, your affection for this ordinary cook is growing. You allowed it. I mean, what's wrong with you? Why do you want to settle for this? A man that you are both in gratification.
Honestly, I can't even explain it. But the truth is, I'm in love with this guy.
My dear, love is a fool's food. And I'd rather starve than be fed with poison. Loving a man who you can buy his entire future. Come on, girl. Pinch yourself and wake up from this slumber.
Lucy, I am not slumbering. Do you think I've not tried fighting it? I have. But the more I try, the more I keep falling for this guy.
Wait. Hope it's not because of the way Jasmine has been hyping him.
That explains the reason she fell for him.
Something so beautiful, that's what I see in your eyes, and I don't know what it was. Something that's so precious, that's what I found in you, and I don't know what it is. You got that strong magnetic force, always drawn me close to you. I can figure it out, but if you ask me, I would tell you I found love, I found peace of mind, I found love, you're so special to me, I found love.
Don't cry, Jasmine, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Okay, what is it?
Jeff and I are now in a relationship. We are dating.
I don't understand.
I mean, I love him and he loves me, and we've decided to stick to each other.
Oh, baby, just hold on. Wait a sec. The same guy you hated and scorned?
Yes, but that was in the past.
Was what? I remembered when you, Lucy, and Emilia keep talking down on me because of him. And suddenly you both are in a relationship? No, make me understand. Because I don't understand.
Listen, love happened. I don't need to tell my heart who to love and who not to love, right? I'm in love with this guy. And I'm glad he loves me too. So, we're dating. Officially dating.
You both are impossible.
Hey, Jeff, my guy. What's up now, bro? I just realized something. That you and Olivia, you guys are together now. So you could see, when I told you it was breathtaking, you thought I was joking. What do you know what? I'm so happy for you, my guy. I'm so happy. Trust me. No, the reason why I'm happy is that at least it's not a random guy that ended up with her. It's you, my guy for life. You're enjoying this whole thing right now. But well, don't forget me. You know I'm your guy, you. I'm so happy. Trust me. I got you, bro. I'm happy. I'm happy for it. All right. Okay, no problem. All right. Talk to you. My G. Man, this guy, I'm so happy for him. Jeff, you're doing well, my guy.
That psychopath stabbed me at my back. I can't believe Olivia could do such a thing to me. She knew how much I love this guy, yet she dumped her own man over my own guy. I can't believe this, honestly.
You know, I wonder how two beauties like you are in love with a low life, a wretched, ordinary cook. Eh? Do you know that guy's salary is not even up to your monthly upkeep? Or do you intend taking care of him? Because I don't understand.
Emilia, have you been in love before? Tell me, have you tested love before?
Yes, but only once. And I have vowed never to repeat it again.
Emilia, love is a beautiful thing.
Oh, please.
And yes, I know love comes with its own demon. But you see what? I'm going to fight for mine. I will fight for my own. I won't take this from Emilia. I will not.
Okay, I'll be here.
I'm just telling you. Okay, I love your nose, your eyes, your lips.
Nothing.
Jeffrey.
Sir, Chief, boss.
After I warned you, you want to ruin the life of my little girl?
No. No, Chief, it's not what you think.
Shut up! Now you listen. If I see you near my little daughter again, what I will do to you, the devil can't even describe. I warn you for the last time.
No.
Don't go near my little girl.
No, Dad. No. Dad, you cannot do that to us. I love him.
Shut up! Shut up! What do you know about love? What do you understand about love? Do you know the consequences of love? You don't know. Let that not come out of your mouth again.
Dad, I love him so much and he loves me.
Shut up!
Please, Dad.
My friend, get out of here before I close my eyes and open them. Right now.
Dad, why are you doing this to me? I love that young man, Dad. You cannot tell me who to love and who to marry. Please, Dad.
Listen, if an elder does not talk, then he will be foolish. And if a child does not listen with the ears will be cut off with the head. A word is enough for the wise. Go upstairs right now. Get upstairs right now. Jeffrey, you know that if the hand does not touch the drum, it will not sound. This path you're taking with my daughter will not work. Nothing can happen between you and her. And the earlier you knew it, the better.
So ever since I came into this house, I've loved and respected you. And I believe it's time for you to do the same. So I love your daughter so much. And I can't lose her. I'm not sure I'll be able to survive it.
Jeffrey.
Yes, sir.
I took you in and loved you like a son. I've nurtured you into the man you have become now. I don't think you will pay me back with disrespect, will you?
So I want to say thank you. I mean, for playing the fatherly role, for your love and care, and yes, even your mentorship. Thank you, sir. But for the first time, this is what my heart really wants.
Jeffrey.
Sir.
If an elder sees you walking through a path and tells you come back, it means that it's fraught with difficulties. But let me tell you the story of Brother Tortoise. Brother Tortoise was told by his in-laws not to go to where he will be shamed. Do you know what he said? Not until I've been disgraced. Think about it.
You're not in the mood to talk about this. But you prefer to be on a loggerhead with your father. I haven't seen his reaction. So tell me, what are you going to do if he sends Jeffrey out of this house?
What am I going to do?
Yeah.
Lucy, you do not know how prepared I am to fight for my love, do you? Listen, I love Jeffrey so much, and no one can stop me from marrying him. I love him, and I must marry him.
You know what? I really wish my voice can have an impact in all of this. But knowing how stubborn you are, I just know this is not going to end well. It's not.
And what are you implying?
See, babe, don't get me wrong, okay? I'm not saying you should not fight for love. Neither am I saying you should not fight. You know, you can fight for love, but don't fight for love when you're not needed. Walk out with your pride and dignity. At least for the sake of your father. As a respected man in this city.
Lucy, honestly, I don't get you. Are you saying that I should compromise my happiness, my emotion, my feelings, my future for the sake of my father's reputation? Really? I love Jeffrey and I must marry him. There's nothing my father or anybody can do about it. You know, I'm still in shock how he got to know about us. He even confronted us directly and threatened to deal with us.
What do men really want? I mean, what do they want? After intentionally cheating on you, he went further to threaten you. What was he expecting? Huh?
Jasmine, honestly, I don't know. You know why Steve and I were dating? I was the one holding the relationship. Yes, I do everything that a man and a woman is supposed to do in a relationship. I'm the first to apologize after an argument. I wake up in the morning, I call him, like I do everything. I was practically carrying our relationship on my head simply because I loved him.
Babe, we know all of this. You and Jeffrey look happily together. You don't need this guy. Besides, he never wanted the relationship. All you need to do is to just wish him good luck with his so-called girlfriend and then move on with your guy. Got you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate this.
You're welcome.
Okay. Fine. It's obvious you have officially moved on. So what now happens to Steve?
Who is Steve? Wait a minute. Lucy, don't tell me you were the one that called Steve. Because you alone knew where we were going to. And you have Steve's number. So you called him, right? Answer me, did you call Steve or not?
Yeah, I did. I did because, you know, it's obvious Steve is far, far better than Jeffrey. And even in his widest dream, he can never ever be like him.
Will you just shut your crap?
Lucy.
Shut up! You have no right to interfere in my relationship. You have no right to interfere with my love life or my relationship. Do you understand me? What is wrong with you?
Enough, please. Yes, I did it. I did it because that guy, how can you allow, you guys are so stupid and foolish. Like, how can you allow that guy's handsomeness to becloud your senses of reasoning? When it's obvious that's all he's got to offer.
Lucy!
Lucy! Stand up and leave, now!
Fine.
Can you imagine? My girlfriend supporting my ex. Can you beat that?
Honestly, I can't believe it myself. Lucy!
Honestly, I don't know. And it's unlike him. I've been calling him, he's not answering my calls.
It should better not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be that this guy have started seeing another woman out there. I mean, what could have been keeping him, knowing full well that a woman is waiting for him? Look at the time.
Jasmine, Jeff cannot cheat on me. Yes, it's too honest to do so.
Okay.
Let me just keep trying his number.
Okay, maybe I'm overthinking. So keep trying his number then.
That's what I'm doing.
You sleeping?
Where are you coming from?
That is no way to welcome your love back home.
I said, where are you coming from? Didn't you see my calls? I called you severally, but you were not taking my calls. Why?
Wait, where else will I be coming from if not the market? I'm coming from the market now. I went to the market.
Liar.
What?
Jeff, you're a bloody liar.
Come on, babe.
Who is the woman you went to see?
Which one is woman? I went to the market to buy stuff. Price of things are just spiking every day. I don't understand. This country safe.
Why are you lying to me?
Lying?
You went to see another woman, right? So who is she?
Don't be ridiculous. Okay, I didn't go to see any woman. I went to the market. Wait, hold up. What's all this attitude? What was going on?
Attitude, you say? You are cheating on me and you're telling me I have attitude? Is that it? Jeff, I will not ask you again. Who did you go to see?
I see what's going on here. You know what? Hold up. This prank, just hold the act, okay? I have dinner to make. After this dinner, we can pick up from here. I just hold it. Oh, hold it right there. Good. Hey, listen. I promise you, B. I was not with any other woman. Come on now, think about it. Why would I want to look at another woman when I have the most beautiful woman in the world standing right in front of me? Why? Look, babe, please, you have to believe me. I promise you I was not with any woman. Please.
Why didn't you pick your call when I was calling you?
I sincerely didn't hear the phone ring. I didn't hear it ring. Look, why on earth would I miss your call? I mean, miss a chance to listen to your beautiful voice. And why would I do that? Babe, please now, believe me now. I'm telling you the truth. Nothing but the truth, please. What's funny now?
Just look at your face. I believe you, my love. I was just joking. I just wanted to see your reaction and I got it. Because I trust you. It was just a prank. Why are you like that?
Leave me alone.
Sorry! I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I was just testing you.
What is a prank?
Sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. I did not. What? I didn't.
Just watch this film you are watching now. Just focus. Understand? Yeah.
Focusing. Wait, I'm not doing.
Stop.
Okay, I'm not doing anything.
Just
I'm
focus and watch the film.
Okay, just 1 minute. Wait, hold on.
What is happening here?
What?
You have turned my house into a sex sport. Is that? You must be ashamed of yourself.
Dad, we're sorry.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up. You're sorry. Look here. Jeffrey, I trusted you. I took you as a son. And look at what you've done to me. Go in there, pack your things and leave my house and don't come back. I don't want to say it twice. Right now.
No, Dad. No. He's going nowhere. Dad, what are you saying? You want him to leave this house?
Absolutely. Before I close my eyes and open it.
Babe, I'm coming with you.
So, how will I shape my mouth in describing this? How would I define this situation? How? Where do you think you're going? Take that box right back.
What are you doing? What are you doing with that bag? Eh?
I'm coming with you.
Come with who?
I'm coming with you.
Listen, Olivia, just go up and drop that bag. Go and drop that bag, Olivia.
No.
I know.
I said no. Dad, I'm living with him. Since you have decided that you do not want my happiness anymore, I'm going with Jeff.
Listen, Olivia. See, think about what we're doing. Okay, just take the bag and drop it to your room. Listen, Chief has always been a father to me. He has never been a boss. He has been my mentor, okay? He has not done nothing wrong to me. Listen, if this wasn't a matter of love and what our hearts want for each other, I swear I would have condemned this right now. But the heart wants what it wants at the end of the day. I don't know what to do, Olivia.
My love, please, I'm coming with you. Please don't leave me here.
No.
Listen, if you leave me here, I'll kill myself. Please, my love.
Say that?
No, please, I want to come with you. Dad, I'm going with him. Since you do not want to see us together, we have decided to stick together, Dad. So please just go, please. Let's go. My love, let's go.
Okay. Stay. How will I shape my mouth to say this? That the lion's leg is broken and the antelope comes on a visit. The flood has entered the hole and the leg is broken. Go and bring your family. We will do the right thing. We have a traditional wedding to plan.
Dad, are you serious? Oh my God! Thank you so much, Dad. Thank you. I love you.
It's what I see you like, and I don't know what it was. Something that's so precious is what I found in you, and I don't know what it is.
Girl, I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
At least with Jeffrey's smartness, you guys will thrive with success.
Yes, and you know what? I'm planning on opening a very big restaurant immediately after our wedding.
Wow, that's a good idea. Considering his cooking prowess, I know you guys will attain a higher level.
Right?
So you said he traveled to get his mom?
Yes, he did. And you know what? I just hope my dad will give us his blessings.
Sure, obviously he will. I'm so happy for you, girlfriend.
High five. Thank you. You know what? We have a wedding to plan.
Of course, I'm here for you. I mean,
I trust you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. Sure. You know that feelings when you're finally getting married to the love of your life?
Don't make me jealous. Oh my God.
Please don't.
See, would you get the hell out of my house right now?
I'm going nowhere, Steve. This is my house and you're taking responsibility of this child.
You see yourself and the bastard you're carrying in your womb. Get out of my house right now.
How dare you call my child a bastard?
You see what you've just done? I swear to God, it's the biggest mistakes of your life.
You lie, Steve. This is my house and I'm here to stay. Take it or leave it.
Right?
Yeah.
Come here. Idiot. Better get up now if you don't want me to kill you. Get your ass up now if you don't want me to kill you right now. Hey. Get up now. Up. Get up. Hey. Just get up. Get up now. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Mama, you're welcome. Mama is so pretty.
Yeah, I mean, it runs in the family.
Hey, Dad is here.
Andrew Pius, what are you doing here?
Rosemary.
Yo.
This is my house. What are you doing in my house?
Dad, do you know her?
Mom, do you know Chief?
Know him? That is your father. What? She's joking. Of course she's joking. Yeah. Mom.
Mom, are you?
You're not joking?
Are you serious? But I've been asking you of my dad for the longest time now. You never said anything. But you never said Chief was my dad. I've been asking.
Because I was angry with him with what he did to me. I met Andrew when he was working at the Nigerian Brewery Nightmare as the head of marketing. And I was working as the accountant. We started dating. And I didn't know he was married and the wife was based in Lagos. I got pregnant for him. And I told him I was pregnant. Andrew gave me the biggest shock of my life by rejecting the pregnancy. He stopped coming to work a week after then. And I never saw him again until today.
This is unbelievable. Dad, please tell me this is not true. You mean you were cheating on my mother and you got another woman pregnant and abandoned the pregnancy? Is that it, Dad? Dad, please tell me this is not true, please.
Olivia, I did that for you and your mother. As at the time she told me she was pregnant, your mother was also pregnant with you.
So, if all this is true, I almost committed taboo with my sister. All because of your mistake. Huh?
No, this is not happening.
Olivia, wait. Hold on. Wait. Olivia, please, I beg you, open the door. Please, I'm begging you, please. You don't want to talk to me? Olivia, me. I can't leave you now. Olivia, please open the door. Please, I beg you, please. Olivia, please open the door, please. Olivia. Come on now, please open the door. Please now, please. Olivia.
Wow.
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey,
why didn't you come back? After you've made money, why didn't you come back for us? Huh?
You know, I tried to come back.
You tried?
I tried looking for her. I couldn't see her. You know, I thought she had aborted the pregnancy, only to now find out that you are the product of that pregnancy. But then, you know, fate and karma, they do work in mysterious ways. My spirit has been drawing me to you, as if you're my son. Oh, Rosemary, please forgive me. Find the place in your heart to forgive me.
Jeffrey! Jeffrey!
Oh, no. Please. I take full responsibility for what happened. I am truly sorry. Please forgive me. I also beg you, talk to Jeffrey. Plead on my behalf. Well, I didn't know he was my son, but he has been living with me and I've taken him as a son. Things will be different now. We will start all over. Please, let's make this happen. Please, let's make it work. Please.
Tears rolling down my eyes, heavy pounding in my heart. This is not happening to me. Can somebody wake me up if this is a nightmare? Can somebody wake me up if this is a nightmare? Can somebody hold my eyes and tell me it's all a dream? Then I wake up and everything is okay without me losing you.
Jeff Redheart, Redheart, Redheart.
Tears rolling heavy pounding in my heart. This is not happening to me. Can somebody wake me up? This is a nightmare. Can somebody wake me up? This is a nightmare. Can somebody hold my eyes and tell me it's all a dream? Then I wake up and everything is okay without me losing you.
Rosemary, she hasn't left her room in the past 3 days. She hasn't spoken to me. I'm so devastated. I'm so devastated. Jeffrey, I'm glad you could come. She has not left her room in the past 3 days. She's not spoken to me.
I'll go get her now.
Okay.
you going to? You want to leave me, your brother? Huh?
Yes, I'm leaving. I'm leaving for the States. Listen, I need to go so I can cool my head and process this whole thing. I don't understand anymore. I don't understand what to think. I don't understand what to do. I'm so confused. I need to go.
I know what you're going through. I can understand what is running through your mind. We just have to accept fate and move on as one big family. I have forgiven your father. I've forgiven myself. Let's all come together and live as one big family.
Sweetheart, whatever decisions you've taken, I'll support it. If you want to go on vacation, it's okay. But don't forget that this is your home. You can't wish that away. The company is yours. You can't deny that. This is your brother. You can't make that disappear. I think we can start all over again. But whatever you want to do, I'll support you. Welcome back, son. Welcome back. Welcome back, son. Welcome back, your sister.
Jesus.
Don't call me that.
You want to be my wife instead? But...
Can you stop that already? Come here. You're crazy.
Now I have a son and a daughter. This is amazing. Rosemary, thank you for being here.
This is not happening to me. Can somebody wake me up if this is a nightmare? Can somebody wake me up if this is a nightmare? Can somebody hold my eyes and tell me it's all a dream? And then I wake up and everything is okay without me losing you. Tears rolling down my eyes, heavy pounding in my heart. This is not happening to me. Can somebody wake me up if this is a nightmare? Can somebody wake me up if this is a nightmare? Can somebody hold my eyes and tell me it's all a dream? And then I wake up and everything is okay without me losing you.